In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit background in Photopea. Background editing can mean different things depending on what you want to achieve, whether it's changing the color, painting on it, or replacing it entirely. In this video, I will cover every possible method so you can edit backgrounds in any way you need, so make sure to watch till the end. First, let's start with a project where your canvas has the standard white background that Photopea gives you by default. On top of this, you may have another image layer. To make any edits to the background, it's important to unlock the default background layer, which is locked by default. Simply click the lock icon on the layer, and once it's unlocked, you can start editing it freely. You can paint on it, adjust it, or completely change its color. If your goal is to change the background color, right-click on the background layer and select Delete. Next, click on the New Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom right of your screen and select Color Fill. From here, you can choose any color you want for your new background. Once you click OK, make sure that this new color fill layer is positioned below your main object layer in the right-hand layers panel. Now your object remains visible while your new background is applied. To make any adjustments to your layers, select the Move tool from the left-hand toolbar and enable Transform controls at the top. This will allow you to see the edges and corners of any layer, giving you complete control over resizing and repositioning. For projects where your image has no separate background and you want to replace it, you can use the Magic Wand tool. If another tool appears in that slot, right-click and select Magic Wand manually. Click Select Subject at the top. If you're using the free version of Photopea, it may prompt you to watch an ad. Once processing is complete, press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac to duplicate your subject to a new layer. You now have two separate layers, and hiding the background layer leaves only your main object visible. This allows you to edit the background without affecting the main subject. You can add a custom color background or paint freely behind your object. If you want to use another image as a background, go to the File menu, select Open and Place, and choose the new background image. Make sure this layer is positioned below your main object layer. Using the Move tool and Transform controls, you can adjust the new background layer's size and position as needed. You can also reposition your main object if required, and this is how you can edit background in Photopea.